Hello everyone, my name's Tijerina, and I'm gonna be giving a little insight of my experience during the Erectors Internship 2021. But before I go on in the with the video, I want to do a quick shout out to Martin Ruiz, founder of Erectors, and Thomas Ray Garcia, founder of CSLAP. The first thing I learned from the internship was how to do a takeoff. In the construction world, a takeoff is accounting for the materials. That's from learning what a metal decking is, what an I-beam is, etc., etc. All the types of materials that is going to be used in the project. But before doing a takeoff, I had to know how to read a blueprint. Joining the internship, I had no idea how to read a blueprint. And not only that, but I had no idea exactly how to look at the blueprints, all the angles, the different types of shapes, how to get the area, if there's a little curves here and there. But thanks to the internship, I was able to learn exactly how to do that. I started to find out why we needed a takeoff. And a takeoff is to start a bid. After the project is won or the materials are ordered, that's when Mr. Ruiz, the project manager, will come into play and make sure that all the materials were ordered correctly and sent to the job site, and making sure all the materials were ready to be constructed. Also making sure the workers were placed in the right place to succeed in order for the building to be constructed by the deadline. Once the project was won or the materials were ordered, then that's when the project management would come into place, Mr. Ruiz. He would make sure all the materials were ordered right and sent to the job site, were on job site, and he would also make sure that the workers were placed in the right place to succeed in order to meet the deadlines of all this projects. Mr. Ruiz also trusted me and the other interns with managing our own project. In my case, I had to manage this little canopy we were building for this customer. And at first, it was scary because I was reaching out, trying to collaborate with him to see exactly what time frame worked. At the time, it was raining a lot, so his place was just a bit muddy to work with. So we would have to wait sometimes, and I would have to back and forth what date worked best for him. So it was a unique experience, nonetheless. The last thing I want to mention is the marketing campaign the other interns and I spearheaded. The marketing campaign consisted of raising funds for scholarships. We decided to sell chicken plates because we came to a conclusion that that's what gave us the most profit margin. Thanks to this internship, I was able to learn how to work as a team. Not only did I learn how to do a takeoff as a team, I also how to bid, and also how to work as a team to do a marketing campaign. And for that, I'm very thankful. But anyways, this is a little about my experience in the Erectors internship. But if anyone has questions regarding the internship or how I manage and stuff like that, just reach out to my email. It's alantijerina5@gmail.com.